Season opener, 2026 Bentley Saloon. Hopefully the weather won't keep a lot of people away. Typically 150 to 200 cars they get here. Dana's 57 Chevy, what a nice car. Beautiful car. I bought my truck out today. So glad we didn't get rained out.
Genesis are next on Classic Rewind. Good morning.
For sale.
Christine Saloon.
22.5.
So we had Phil Collins in our New York studios last week.
Another 57 Chevy.
Perform, which is fine. I'd rather have that than nothing, you know. I know the Steve Perry attendance was punishing, wasn't it? It's like everybody's here, right back to Greg Wally, and you know Steve was the only one not singing, so anyway, that was weird.
Putting some miles on it. What a beautiful car. Very nice. What a cool truck. Here's Tommy's Pontiac. Looks like I've been here since. 37 Ford for sale. 14.9. Looks like a nice solid car. Old Bonnie and Clyde. Smile. Old Model A. Nice Chevelle, mid-60s. An Essex Super 6. You don't see many of these. The old Impala wagon. '37 Chevrolet. Old mid-50s Pontiac. Nice Thunderbird. 63, 64. Nice Satellite. Nice big block 68 Corvette. Very nice. Nice old Chevrolet, not sure what year. 55 Nomad. Nice car. VW bus. Couple old Power Wagons. Nice square body. '63 Ford wagon. Very nice. Remember these. Wow, that's got to be rare with a 4-speed in it. Eric's hot rod, very nice.
Okay. You want me to move it up front?
Very nice 69 Camaro pace car. I almost had one, but it would have came in pieces. Nice hot rod. Ford with a Ford. Hey Norm. How you doing? Nice mid-'80s Blazer. Very cool. Very tastefully done. Here's Bob's pickup. No theme tonight. Nice GTO, 1967.
You all see the beautiful cars today. We have some exciting announcements going on, which is breakfast is going to 11.
Very nice old Ford. Shoebox.
Tour time for Bentley's private collection. If you are interested in a free tour,
Nice 69 Camaro. Couple nice Mustangs. Nice Caddy. I think it's a 63 or 64. 62. I was wrong. Very nice Nomad.
There's more to see. They keep coming in.
Yeah, I'll head in the back in a little while. Nice C4. Nice Monte Carlo. How you doing?
Good, yo.
Good. Nice old Ford. Nice old Lincoln. Hi, Kim, fellow Maine Coastal Cruiser member, and standing next to her beautiful 1969 Camaro. So tell us a little bit, Kim, how you got into hot rodding.
My dad always had cars. He fixed them, he'd bondo them when I was in high school, and I'd get to drive them for a while till he sold them. So, and the Camaro was my favorite, absolute favorite, and I've always wanted a 69 Camaro. Couldn't afford them, but then in 2024 they were done making the Camaro, so I got a 2024, which I love too. It's very fast. And didn't think I'd get this, but then I went to an auction by myself and it came up and I was able to get it for a great price, and so now I have my 69 finally.
Very, very nice. And the hot rod community is such a welcoming community, which is so great. So it's real glad that we belong to the same club, so we'll be going to the same events together.
Yes.
Yeah, so
Yep.
Thank you for your time, Kim.
Thank you.
Nice healthy sound in Chevelle. A Pacer. You don't see these things much. Hi, Bob. Beautiful pace car. A Rambler. Beautiful Mercury. Nice paint. '68 big block Corvette. Next to a 442. Mercury Monterey. 1965 Mercury Monterey. Nice 40 Ford.
Saves so much money.
Nice 77 Monte Carlo. My brother had one. Beautiful old Ford.
Right. Those were good too, by the way. I did.
69 Camaro convertible. Looks like it's got a modern LS in it, or a Vortec. Viper. Very cool.
I inspect fire suppression.
You're shaking the shit out of it. Don't go with me.
Looks like John Hill's Chevelle.
Well, don't get you want to go back on the block.
Nice square body. Next one, another early Ford hot rod. Nice El Camino. Out. Nice Chevelle convertible. '66 for sale. Very nice. Next to a '57 Nomad. Very nice car. 3 deuces. Either a 348 or a 409 in this. Very nice. Beautiful interior. So this beast coming in. It sounded really healthy. Nice Nova. This thing is literally a street legal race car. Nice old Ford Fairlane. Nice Riviera.
That's all right. You got to park it back in right next to that. You're the last one in the row, and I'll be right back there.
Rambler.
kids brought up the muscle car. Yeah. The 60s and 70s. Yeah. Stuff like that.
You got tires on that. Set it up for drag.
Yeah, I see. Very cool.
I'll be out there in a second.
Got some big meats on the back of that. Check out this old Indian. Beautiful motorcycle. When men were men. Wow, 1930 Indian. Old Mercedes. Nice old Ford Fairlane. Old Datsun pickup. And we got an international truck. Next to Dan's beautiful Impala SS.
And that doesn't include the minute that you
Nice.
work it, and then on top of that, you have to have what, $300-400 a gallon?
Nice Lotus.
Yeah.
Porsche.
My nephew was famous.
Another international pickup. Very cool.